Hello there, it's me, Alexander Turnbull from René of Paris and Aderans. I'm going to be styling some hair today from my home, and today I'm going to be using the human hair wig Lily from the Orchid Collection in the colour Golden Wheat. So, ladies and gentlemen, here is Lily in Golden Wheat, and just look at that colour. See those weaves in there, how beautiful those weaves are. Stunning, eh? Absolutely stunning. So, I think first off for the styling, what I'm going to do is I'm going to open up the face so I can see what's going on. Ahead of time, I've got all my equipment. So I'm just going to put a slide in here to start with. I'm just going to put in a gold grip to match the golden wheat. So effectively, I've got a slide on the side which looks amazing. Now at the back of Lily in golden wheat, and for my next trick, I'm going to need a hair tie like this. So what I need to do with this hair tie is first snip it. So just looking for the seam of the hair tie. Then I'm going to give it a stretch, so to speak, like this look. So we get like this nice spring, and then I'm going to start wrapping hair around this spring. Getting the pieces of hair, wrapping it around the coils, getting the piece of hair, wrapping it around the coils, okay, and you can keep twisting the hair tie into the hair so you create the effect. So you keep getting this kind of effect if you like. Okay, again, it's a really simple hack. You can do this on curly hair. I mean, I'm just doing it on Lily, which is a human hair wig, which, you know, can be one straight or curly. So, you know, I'm just showing you on the straighter style of Lily at the moment. So, what we're trying to do, trying to give you a style that's pretty easy but quite effective and fun thing to try. And we've all seemed to have these bands, these curling hair bands around, you know, these spring hair ties which seem to work really well. So you're coming to the end of this look, okay, put a little bit more in there so you see that emphasis. So now what I'm going to do, now I've got this really kind of beautiful shape, is I can just slightly change the design of how that's going to, the hair tie, how the hair tie is going to sit, because I've not gripped either side yet. And just take a grip here. Okay, and I'm going to put this side in here, like this, look. And then I just want to create a little bit of shape to my design. So I'm going to get another grip to the side, just grip this to the base. Just my fingers, I can just take so much hair out to accentuate that nice hairstyle that you've done. So you see, so you start getting this lovely bend. Just with the René of Paris wire brush, just going to brush this down. what I'm doing? But just with my fingers, very delicately, just piecing those areas of hair out. And you could, even with your lady, wear that in a low pony, and that would be kind of part of the hairstyle, if you like, or you could leave it down. I think we can try a little low pony. We're just after that beautiful finish in the hair. So then look, when you've got it in the pony, look, you can do more separations, which just make that hair look even more interesting. And it's a nice way of having, you know, a bit of an up style, a bit of a party style. But if you're not one to be wearing your hair down all the time, and you don't, wearing your hair up all the time, you want a party style with it down, it's a really nice way of achieving that. So ladies and gents, just coming to the end of our lily, and you can see how gorgeous that looks, that lovely spiral style. Little trick for you, you know, have a little go at this at home, try it out, tell me what you think, send us some pictures in. I'd love to see any spiral braids or little work that you've done. We always like to see what you guys have done at home. So that was Lily in Golden Wheat, and we did a spiral hair tie hack. So if you liked what you've seen today, please like and share. Let us know what you liked about it. If you're going to try it at home yourself, send us some pictures. Remember, as always, follow us on all social media. Check out my social sisters, Danny and the wonderful Abby, and we will see you next time. Thank you again. Bye-bye.